Hello guys, I will show you how to use Algorand Governance today using the Pera Algo wallet. So here in front of me I have already set up my Algorand wallet. There is 97 Algorand in it and I will be using the button on the top to scan. So the first thing we have to do is to connect the wallet, and then we have multiple options. We want to choose the Pera Algo wallet. So now we will get the QR code that uses the Wallet Connect protocol in the backend, and you can click the scan button in your app. So you will get the scanning screen. So now you can scan the QR code to make the connection. So then it will ask you to accept the connection. Yes, you want to connect. You can actually specify an account, so I will use my account and click confirm. So there we go. Now we have loaded the account and I can say I want to use this one. As a next step, you want to go to the voting measure. You can also click directly here. So you can find more information about the period 3 voting here. If you go back, we can click commit algo and we can say I want to commit one algo. Click commit, and what will happen now is the transaction will pop up in my wallet. So as you can see, it's a zero value request because it's embedded in the node field how much we are committing. So I am confirming this. Are you sure? You need to accept this. So now my phone says the transaction is being processed, which is fine. It will take approximately 4 seconds. There we go. So now we have confirmation that we have committed one algo to the governance program for the entire period for this wallet. And that's it. It's as simple as this using Pera Wallet.